Hello all and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to quote unquote decorate your Revit file. I really believe that I just came up with this term out of nowhere. I've been doing this since undergrad. I'm not saying I'm the first to ever do this, um, but I'm just coming up with a term for it. It's basically adding accent elements to your Revit file that really make it pop. And this is the workstation area of my cafe in my project. I'm showing you the floor plan area of this cafe so you can just get a broad view of what I'm actually showing you. Zooming in, here is the workstation area, so where the employees will be. This is elevation of that counter. So if I go back to the floor plan, you see the double swing doors here and then the actual counter itself. So that is what this is elevation of. The decorating part of this is this food service equipment, coffee machine, this 3-compartment drink machine, this cup dispenser. That is what decorating is. Do I need all of that on this counter right here for construction purposes? No, I do not. My contractor does not care that I am showing him that a drink machine can go on this or is supposed to go on this counter. No, he doesn't care. But my client will care because they want to know how their appliances are going to fit on their counter. So I have them there. They're not necessary for the client, but I have them there so it gives them a better vision. I also have a soap dispenser that's also decorating. I also have a paper towel dispenser. To sum it up, decorating is adding unnecessary but beneficial elements to your Revit file that give it detail. The whole purpose of decorating is to give your Revit file detail. What is not decorating is this faucet. That's not decoration. You need a faucet because there's a sink right below it. That's necessary. In the back of this building is the private offices area, and right here is the employee kitchenette. So as you can see here, I've got a little kitchenette that's custom, of course, and right here I've got a microwave. I've got cups, a stack of styrofoam cups, got those from Revit City, both of those. And then I've got a Keurig, which I got from Revit City years ago. And so I actually pulled this one from an old Revit file because when I tried to look it up on Revit City, it was actually gone. So I don't see it on Revit City anymore. This is a water dispenser, also a form of decorating. Let me turn the camera around. I also use decorating in the actual desk area. So as you can see, really this whole office is decorated. So you can even see on the floor plan, I have a desk phone, Revit City, MacBook that comes with a keyboard and mouse. Over right beside it is the printer station. This printer is also a form of decorating. Decorative elements are likely non-structural and a movable load. The entrance of this private office area, I've got an umbrella stand. These plants that I added. So I've got these plants here. And then I've also got these topiary plants. I've got some in this corridor. This one here. These I got from Revit City. BIM is horrible with plants. I don't recommend getting plants from there, but you can find some on there. So the last element of decorating I'm going to show you I did is in this workshop area. This vending machine is also a form of decorating. And right beside it, recessed in the wall, is a waste receptacle. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope this video is very helpful. Have a blessed day. God bless.